There is no shame in wanting to know who's not following you back on Instagram, maybe so you can unfollow them too. Swinging in today with a quick tutorial on how to do this without relying on any of the sketchy Instagram apps that offer this. Let's be frank, those are not safe to use. Stay with me. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I promise practical advice to build your brand. Today we're looking at how to unfollow Instagram followers that are not following you back. Maybe you're doing a cleanup. Maybe you're just petty. Just kidding, no judgment. I like to do a routine cleanup on my Instagram following, and this is a good way to spot connections maybe that might be past their prime. And let's say it's time to say goodbye. Here's how you do this in a few safe and easy steps. Starting from your profile, you're gonna select the menu icon in the top right. Next, you'll select your activity right there in the middle. Next, we'll scroll all the way down to download your information. Next, from the Meta Account Center, you're going to select your information and permissions. Getting closer. Now we're going to select download your information. It's that second option. Now we're going to click that download or transfer information button right in the middle. Here, all of my Instagram and Facebook accounts are selected, but I only need the Instagram account that I'm interested in doing this on. At this stage, I typically select some of your information. I only need followers and following. So we'll scroll down and make that selection, followers and following under connections. We'll click next. I'm going to download to device. The date range will be all time. The format as HTML is perfect and media quality medium is great. So we'll create files. And you'll get this notification when your transfer is in progress. The next thing you'll receive is an email. The first email you receive will look like this, that your request is in progress. The second will look like this, your meta information download is ready. For me, it was just a span of a few minutes. For me, the difference was just a few minutes. Note that you will have a limited amount of time to download your information, so you're gonna wanna get that right away. Otherwise, you'll have to request a new download. So I'm gonna select this and make that download. And the next thing you'll see is this zip folder in your downloads. I'll go ahead and open that and open up the files. I'll go ahead and open that and open connections, where I'm going to see my followers and following as HTML as requested. Now, if you have enough followers, you will see multiple pages. You only need to open the first one because it will have those pages contained. So this is my followers. I will also open my following. And the next thing we need is a list comparison tool. There are lots of free ones online that I've used. I tend to like this one, but I'll put a link to a few of them in the description below. And much like on Instagram, I'm going to keep my following in this column and my followers here. And back over to my following, I will scroll up here. I will select the first following. On a Mac, I'm gonna push Command, Shift, and then the down arrow to select all. On a PC, you would select the first following and press the N key. Then I will copy this. So on a Mac, that's Command C. On a PC, that's Control C. Back over to our compare list tool and simply paste in that list. That's Command V, or on a PC, Control V. And then I'll do the same for followers, which I'll have to repeat 3 times because I have 3 pages of followers. And there we go, I've pasted my followers in. So we are ready to click compare. This is where things get interesting. So for this exercise, we are focused on the following only. Keep in mind, you did also paste dates, so that's not gonna be useful for this. But if we scroll all the way down here, you're gonna get the usernames of the accounts that are not following you back, and you can select those. I was watching to see where the dates began, since the dates are not information that I need. I will copy that information. And next, I'll open up a plain text document where I can paste that information, and there we go. I've got my list of accounts that I am following, but these users are not following me back. So if I want to unfollow them now, I could. Okay, that's it. That's how you do it. Now you can avoid any of those weird Instagram apps that promise to do this for you. I can't really speak for all of them, but I generally don't trust handing over my Instagram access that easy. I'd rather take matters into my own hands and follow these easy steps. Anyways, I've linked to the mentioned resources below. Go ahead and check those out for yourself. If you've got any lingering questions, comment below. Let's keep the conversation going on down there. Respond to those personally. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Next, I'm sharing a few videos I think you'll be interested in. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching those. Coming up next.